Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this beautiful Cinderella dress on Draw to Impress without VIP items. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair as per usual. Let me remove that. Okay, for the hair I used this band, this fringe in this color FFC351, and then this updo in the same color. I also used this in the same color, toggled it to no accessory for this one, adjusted it to position Z.48, rotate X.39, and scaled it to 0.27. Then for the headband, I colored it 66828A9. In this position, Y.53, Z.5, rotate the X at 0.4 and scaled it to 0.43. Then for the outfit, I'm just going to get this glove here, toggle it to no fur in this color, CCECFF in silk. Then get this these puffy sleeves in silk and that same color. I do kind of make the gloves a little bit lighter like this maybe, but it doesn't make the biggest difference. Then the rest I think is in codes. Well, in the code section, petal dress, queen of flowers, turn off silver top, and color it this color 809 AC1, and then 89AFE3. For the skirt, we're going to use this one in this color, the same, in silk, and then silk in that lighter blue color, and then this again in silk, and then lastly that same darker blue. Then we're going to get this skirt, if I can just find it, this one in that dark blue color in silk, and then in that light blue color in silk, and then that dark blue in silk. Actually, well, you can also make it light blue because she doesn't really have a bow there, so maybe I should just do that. But that is, oh, I forgot one thing, the choker and the earrings. Just this in black, and then the pearl earrings or the round earrings, whatever you want to call them. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!